Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another screen protector for your Galaxy S26 Ultra. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Ringke Easy Slide tempered glass screen protector. I need to give a shout out to Ringke for sending this out to me for a review. We'll try to install this on camera. We'll see actually how easy it is to install, and then we'll just go over the quality of it, see if we get any bubbles on it, how close does it come to the edge of your phone, and then the overall feel of it too. You can pick up the screen protector from Amazon. I will have the links in the description. Nice packaging from them. It has instructions, but I'm not going to read instructions. We're going to do it our way. But let's see what you get in the box. Actually, let's open the box first. They have a little tape. They snuck the little tape in there. So you have something to lay your phone down on. You have the screen protector itself. And then you have an extra one in there. And then you should have some cleaning stuff. And then you have 2 cleaning kits. At least they gave you 2 cleaning kits, 2 screen protectors, in case you crack one later. So what you want to do is turn off your phone, take off the case. Again, if you can do this at nighttime, great. It just makes it a lot easier. And then you open up your cleaning kit. You want your wipe, and then you wipe it down. Wipe on, wipe off. Mr. Miyagi. So just get your oily fingerprints off of your display. Again, if you can do this at nighttime in a room that's not as dusty, that would make it even better. And then once you clean it, you want to go ahead and dry it off. You also have some dust removers here. And take your time with this step too, because you don't want dust. You hate the little dust that gets underneath there. And then you want to take your screen protector. You want to see which way is up and down. Hold the handles. Bam. Tells you to pull. So what we're going to do is, alright, so the one thing you want to do is make sure that this is out, but you kind of put this on top, and then you hold the handles here, and you kind of just pull this out. So that should help with dust and stuff. And then you kind of just let it sit there and just wait. And you get any dust, I mean, if you have any bubbles, you can remove them in a minute. Then what you want to do, slowly lift this bad boy up. And then, look, no, I don't have any bubbles. No bubbles at all. Let's check it out. My pen is falling out though. So I have no bubbles. And it comes pretty close to the edge. All the way around. As you can tell there. That was pretty easy, Ringke. That was pretty easy to install. Let's see if we have to redo the fingerprints. And then, like I said, if you wanted to, you can come back and wipe it off. Just to make sure it looks good. That was not bad at all. And let's see about the anti-reflectness. It doesn't say that it's on here. So it might not have that coating on the screen protector. I mean, take this down some. I mean, you can see the light there. So it doesn't really have anti-reflectness technology on there. It's not as bad as some, but you can see it. But it does fit great. And let's see the fingerprint. Fingerprint works great too. I like how it comes to the edge there. I mean, any further, it'll be coming off the phone. So not bad, Ringke. Not bad at all. If y'all want to pick this up, I will have the links in the description. You can get this from Amazon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forwards Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. Until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.